is Igor Tuchelnikov, explorer, adventurer, and a guy who ends up in some interesting places. With a degree in journalism and filmmaking, I traveled to the ends of the earth investigating the greatest places in the world. This is Igor Travels the World. Nomadic people have been living in Mongolia since the 3rd century BC. It is thought they were related to the Siberian people that were crossing the Bering Strait into America. So I'm at the Flaming Cliffs, named by Roy Chapman Andrews, an American archaeologist from the Natural History Museum who came here in the 1920s. And he discovered dinosaur fossils and dinosaur bones. And I have to say, on our journey so far, it's one of the most amazing places we've seen. I am absolutely in awe of the beauty that is this place.